How to fix compile error in hidden module in Excel. If you want to fix compile error in hidden module in your Excel, then just watch this video. First, you need to open up your file explorer and go to your local disk, usually the C drive, where Microsoft Office is located. Next, go to the users folder, select the folder with your username, and then tap on app data. If you don't see app data, make sure hidden items are enabled. Go with view and then go with hidden items. Once you find your app data, open up your app data. Inside the app data, you need to go with the roaming folder, then go to the Microsoft folder. From there, choose a folder that you're having trouble with. For example, in my case, it's Excel. You can choose either Word, Excel, any of your application that you're facing a problem with. Now, after opening your Excel, if you find any add-ons or templates, then this could be causing the issue. Select those files and then press Ctrl X to cut them and paste them to your desktop. This way, you're not deleting them, just moving them temporarily. Once that's done, you need to reopen your Excel or Word and check if the error is gone. If you're still seeing the error, then final solution is to open up your browser and reinstall your Microsoft Office 365. This will refresh the installation and fix any hidden issues that might be causing the error. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.